Okay, it is time. Dun, 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 dun.
Can I just say,
It's God,
do
it's
you
God,
guys
it's God, it's
remember
God, it's God, it's God, it's God.
when our biggest problem, like Marvel fans, was having the biggest crisis that, oh my god,
Are you
Civil
team?
War is here.
Are you team Iron Man
Captain
or
Team
Captain America,
Iron?
bro? Iron Man
And
all the
then
way.
Infinity War came, and then Endgame came.
And we realized
And
having a team Iron Man is the biggest problem now
I
because there is no
know.
Iron Man.
You're not allowed to say that.
Oh.
It's very mean.
Bro, I can't believe this. There's no RDJ.
There's no art. There's no
Bro.
Iron Man.
There is no
RDJ.
RDJ is there.
Civil War, I think, I would also place it between pretty good or god tier because I think.
No, God. Bro, there is no villain like Helmut Zemo.
And I'll tell you why. Because he did not use any superpowers.
Bro,
he wasn't a
Zemo-
super soldier. He didn't have money. He just had a really
He has money.
twisted
He has
frickin-
money.
But not like, like how Batman's only superpower is he's rich.
Yeah, that's not his only superpower.
Yeah.
But we came to know in Falcon and the Legend
Yeah,
that he
then
has
he
money.
has money.
But
But
bro,
this
no.
dude has a twisted brain and he knows well how to use it.
Bro, and
and-
bro, you remember he was listening to recordings of his wife? We thought she's alive. That was
But
crazy.
that was insane.
And isme we got introduced to the god Chadwick Boseman. Rest in peace. Oh my god. It's so sad. We got introduced to Black Panther.
Yes.
The best character in the Marvel
Emu is a
Cinematic Universe.
really big
Bro,
fan
I
of Black
love-
Panther. If you're wondering why we have purple and black going on, it's because he subconsciously channels Black Panther everywhere he can.
Bro, I'm gonna cry. Next one is Spider-Man Homecoming.
This kid.
Bro, he needs to mature first of all. Enough. 2 movie हो गया है. अब हो जा mature.
Also Zendaya.
Yeah. But पहले movie में नहीं थी वो ज़्यादा.
I know.
I think
Honestly,
it's just there because it was the first movie. We थोड़ा
No
हम लोग
offense,
का
Tom, I love you.
हम लोग का
but-
थोड़ा expectation set हो गया ना movies से. And ये थोड़ा ऐसा introduction movie था so
Yeah, I think it's just there. Fair enough.
just there is still okay. It's not a DC movie at least. Okay, Doctor Strange. I have major issues with Doctor Strange.
Yo, please spill.
Yeah, I know. I don't like Doctor Strange.
What? The
Bro,
character or the movie?
No, the character is great. There's a lot of potential. Multiverse of Madness is gonna be mad. But the issue is with this movie, bro, there was no fight in the end.
That's one of
एक डायलॉग था ब्रो, एक डायलॉग था.
Which
Dormammu.
is so funny because he annoyed Dormammu into
हाँ
giving
bro,
it. That
क्या
is
मजाक
so
है. It's the
funny.
most Gen Z shit ever.
I really like this movie. I think Benny has done a
Bro, that's
fabulous
because you
job.
like Benedict Cumberbatch. He's
Of course I
nice.
like
He's
Benedict
nice.
Cumberbatch.
I know he's nice.
But I think, but no, you also had Tilda Swinton
Yeah, she
as
was also
the
good.
elder one.
Rest in
You
peace.
had.
Elder one is dead, bro.
I know,
Tilda Swinton is alive.
but I really like Doctor Strange. I'm not gonna lie. You have Rachel McAdams as his girlfriend.
True.
Love that girl.
Bro, the cast is good. The cast in Marvel is
I really
untouchable.
like this
The cast
movie.
is very good. I know.
They cast.
But I'm telling you, this movie was not good.
I really like this movie. The point that you don't like about this movie is one of the points that I like about this movie. That
What
he
do you
annoyed him into
mean,
giving
bro?
in.
What do you mean? The moves he pulled against Thanos. If he would have done that against Dormammu, क्या मजा आता, bro? वो सब ऐसा.
But
हाँ, वैसा TikTok dance, वो सब. Doctor Strange was a TikTok dancer.
no! How dare you? I really like this movie. I'm not
Nah,
gonna lie.
bro, come
The
on.
visuals were out of the world.
The visuals were good, but the visuals were better in Infinity War.
That's an advanced movie also, na?
What do you mean
This is just
advanced
character
movie?
establishing movie of what Doctor Strange does and who he is and his backstory and stuff like that.
But that can also be good. Look at Iron Man.
No. I think it's a good my opinion.
Mid.
Fine, let's agree on
Bro,
mid.
no, it can't be mid. There's too much movies in mid. It has to
There's
be.
more movies and pretty good.
Yeah, so it has to be pretty good or just there.
How can we place it between mid and just
No,
there?
bro, you can't. I think it's just there, to be honest.
Doctor Strange?
Bro, just okay. Imagine Doctor Strange. Okay, Doctor Strange has started. Okay, the first fight happens between who? The guy and Tilda Swinton.
Acha, okay, that
The
dude.
bro,
There should I-
that
okay.
fight was so good. Was so good.
was insane.
वो ऐसा न्यूयॉर्क फुल bend होता है
Inception
and
movie,
shit
Inception
happens.
vibes
Yeah,
आते हैं इसमें.
Matrix, Inception, Interstellar सब हो गया एक साथ में. And amazing fight gets over in 5 minutes. Okay, we think something is coming, an insane fight is coming. Moves are going to be pulled, but bro, nothing happens. Nothing happens.
So you're pissed that you didn't get another fight sequence.
Yes,
in the movie.
bro,
That's
it
what
could
you're
have been
pissed
so
about.
cool.
But you think that's enough for
एक
putting
second.
Doctor Strange in just
एक
there?
सेकंड. Yes, it has pissed me off to another level. ये क्या है? डोरमामू का कुछ तो भलता ही स्पीशीज है. मेरे को लगा वो सिलेस्टियल है, वो नहीं है
See,
सिलेस्टियल.
नहीं है वो. I think
तो ब्रो
Doctor
इजीली
Strange-
हरा देता वो उसको. क्यों नहीं हुआ फाइट? इतना बड़ा है डोरमामू और उसके बाद
But
फाइट
doesn't
नहीं
that
है.
also say a lot about Doctor Strange's character? He
अरे
literally annoyed
bro.
somebody into quitting.
तो करता थैनोस को भी क्यों नहीं किया? क्यों मारा उसको?
Thanos, Titan Thanos.
I think bro it's a DC movie to be honest. Because it builds up just like Superman and Batman. It builds up and then
Superman,
end में
Batman
Martha
was-
Dormammu. Same shit bro. I don't believe
Not the
Zack Snyder
same.
did
You could
that.
have put it in trash. At least put it in just there.
Just there. It's
Oh
just
my
there.
god.
Bro, if I was doing this alone, it would have been a DC movie. It has
Unbelievable.
pissed me off to another level. And I'm also doing this to piss off other people so that they comment. Okay, Black Panther. No
I
arguments.
already know where this is going.
Bro.
So I'm not even gonna bother
No,
arguing with
I'm
you.
going to hear your opinion.
No, but
It's wrong,
I
but
do
I'm
not
gonna hear
have
your
any
opinion.
complaints against this movie. I think it was a fabulous movie. The whole point of
Bro,
getting vibranium from Wakanda, the characters, the portrayal of POC women. Fabulous job, Marvel. So proud of you. I think it's a really
It
good
did so
movie.
much for people of color.
It did so much. Representation was amazing. So yeah, this is.
Ryan Coogler.
Did you guys
also-
hear that story? I think this was on Ellen or on Jimmy Fallon or something. Some girl in the audience while watching Black Panther, when she saw Michael Jordan shirtless for the first time, she gasped so loudly her retainer got stuck and she couldn't open her mouth. Yeah.
What?
Michael Jordan later paid for a retainer because
No
that
way.
came as
No
a
way.
whole tweet. You should Google it. It was really funny.
Bro, you know the things on his chest?
Yeah.
The
it's for every person.
kill,
he's
bro. That looks so
killed,
good.
yeah. I know. Boys.
Bro, what's his name, yaar?
I know. I'll tell you. Winston Duke.
Yes,
Winston Duke. Winston Duke supremacy.
Bang in character. Bro, स्टार्टिंग में वो इतना सीरियस आता है, ऐसे आता है सब, और फिर जब वो लोग जाते हैं वो दोनों उसके
बॉडी को लेके.
ब्रो वो इतना फनी हो जाता है
And then
अचानक
he's
से,
like, "I'm a
and it's
vegetarian."
believable, it's amazing.
You know, because first he
And
threatens
they
them that I'm
also-
going to eat you, and then
Yeah.
he's like, I wouldn't do that. I'm a vegetarian.
and they also mentioned Hanuman,
Oh yeah.
shout out. And bro, the visuals in Black Panther, bro,
Sickening.
when they go to the Jabari base, वो
Oh,
पता है
yeah,
वो
yeah,
monkey
yeah.
is holding up the, bro, that is so good. Even the vibranium mines,
Also Shuri.
bro,
Shuri, shout out to Shuri. What a character.
and even the this vibranium tunnels.
Yeah.
That visuals is also
it was
sick.
Great. Also, pop culture reference to Shuri yelling, "What are those?"
Yeah, bro.
to his sandals.
Also, bro, even the chase in Japan
Oh yeah.
or somewhere, it was
I
very
think
good.
Japan.
Yeah.
Was it?
Okay, Black Panther, what do you say, God? I say God.
I would agree, God.
Bro, just because of the cultural
That's
impact.
what I'm saying, the cultural impact and the
Kendrick
representation.
Lamar, bro. Kendrick Lamar. The soundtrack of Black Panther,
All the
bro.
stars.
Oscar,
Yo.
Oscar winning soundtrack.
Can you like put a little bit of all the stars over here?
Sure,
You're
bro.
gonna get a copyright. Right?
I don't care, bro.
Yeah.
All the stars.
We're gonna cue all the stars over here.
Playing now. Okay.
Okay, good.
Bro,
I know.
Black Panther is so good, man. It's so good.
It's really good.
Okay,
I have
Thor
to agree.
Ragnarok, Taika Waititi.
Taika Waititi is a gem, and he has to be protected.
Bro,
at
did you see?
all
Bro,
costs.
did you see Chris Hemsworth's photo in Thor: Love and Thunder?
No.
Bro, did you see his bike? You did, bro. Live reaction, guys.
Okay, hold on. We have to do this.
Ready?
Yes.
Bro, look at his.
What the shit?
This movie is very funny. I like it.
It's pretty good for
It
sure.
brings out the best in
Every
Hulk.
character.
It brings out the best in Hulk. It brings out the best in Thor. Brings
And
out the best
Loki.
in
Go ahead. And Loki.
Loki, who's gonna die soon,
How dare you?
and then become a time
He's not already
variant.
dead, you guys. He's not already
Then-
dead.
And then he's going to become a time variant. Check out Loki, amazing show. It is
Check
good.
it
It is
out.
good. It's written
it
well.
out.
It's written well. Acting and all, I don't know. It's written well.
Also, Ragnarok has Kate Blanchett as Hela.
Yeah, I forgot Hela.
Yeah, Hela.
Bro.
Who just to
And
Mjolnir.
I love this Hulk switching at her dog.
Also,
and
Anthony
killing him.
Hopkins. I know
कौन है
it's
Anthony Hopkins?
Odin,
हाँ, sorry.
Hannibal. Oh my god,
सर
Nemo.
मारे bro Odin irritating है हाँ, फालतू का नाटक
Odin
करता
is
रहता है.
a terrible character.
Odin is literally like Robert Baratheon from Game of Thrones. He's
I haven't
literally like Robert Baratheon from Game of Thrones.
Goat
Nice,
movie.
nice
I love
movie,
this
bro.
movie.
Amazingly directed, amazingly written.
Taika Waititi, I said, is a gem.
Yeah. Okay, we have Ant-Man and the Wasp.
Nice.
It was good. It was good.
This was a good movie.
It was a chill movie, matlab.
I'm gonna put it in mid.
No, I think it's just there, bro.
Really?
Bro, I don't think it compares to Guardians of the Galaxy and Ant-Man 1 and Ant-Man 2.
Oh yeah,
bro.
there is also Ant-Man 2 over there. Okay,
It's
yeah, I
just
would have to
there.
put it.
It's a
there
chill.
in that
It's a
case.
chill, good movie.
And it's a good movie.
And it's next to Doctor Strange, so you can't complain.
Stop with the Doctor Strange slander. You're on 50. You hit the 50
Yes.
subscribers.
Ooh, bro. 85% of you watching are not subscribed. ऐसा मैं नहीं, analytics कहते हैं. So please subscribe.
Don't even get me started on mine. I sent you a video na that day.
Yes.
Those of you watching Shinjini Sarkar videos, 92% of you haven't subscribed. Guys, what are you all doing? Hit the subscribe button and then watch.
Please, bro. Please, come on.
Help a girl and a guy out. Come on.
Alright, the next one
Alright.
is Infinity War. Sad movie.
This movie broke me.
Sad movie, bro. And especially now it's fine, but tabhi there was a 1 year or something gap between all of them,
Exactly.
just like fading away, and yeah,
Heartbreaking.
I don't know, but the action was good.
It was a
Bloody
good
Peter
movie.
Quill, bro. Oh my god.
Peter Quill. I was rooting for you, Peter Quill. Why would you do that?
इतना क्या bro emotion मैं
They
समझ
had
सकता है bro.
they had it off. They were off by like a centimeter, and you couldn't hold
Bro,
your angle.
poor Spider-Man. He
Yeah,
could have
I
done
know.
it. He could have
Poor
been the
kid. A 15-year-old kid had the gauntlet off, and you couldn't.
He
hold.
could
You were
have been
half
the-
celestial, Peter Quill. What are you doing?
Iron Man had to die because of you, bro. क्या बोलती है?
Yeah.
Pretty Infinity
Mid
War.
or pretty good. I want to put
I think mid, to be honest. Like the action and all was good.
because Avengers.
Oh no, but the fight in Wakanda. That was an insane fight.
Crazy. fight.
Stormbreaker बनता है. Thor comes in.
Groot is holding like
Yeah,
four
yeah,
people
yeah,
with his
yeah.
arm.
Just
was
for
a
that,
good
I think.
fight.
Just for that, it moves
I
up one
think-
tier.
I don't know what to do about this because I know इसके बाद Endgame आता है and I have
Endgame-
some serious issues with Endgame. By the way.
What do you mean,
I mean,
bro?
it's a good-
Okay, we'll
it's a good movie, but-
get to that. We'll get to that. Mid.
Made up pretty good. Either of them.
So say one.
What do you think?
I think mid. It was, malab. See, one thing good was that everyone died. That was not that has never happened in a superhero film pehle.
Yeah.
So
but they-
cinematic wise it was good. Like filmmaking wise it was good. It was a
Good arc
surprise
again, yeah.
and like we know that Thanos is not kidding.
He's not.
He's serious as after
blip.
it takes a movie to establish the villain, which is good.
This movie also truly shows us how strong Thanos is.
Yeah, and उसका एक चीज अच्छा है कि उसका कॉमिक्स जैसा रीजन नहीं था जस्ट टू इम्प्रेस लेडी डेथ.
I'm not read the
तो
comics.
Thanos का motivation to conquer all of the world is that he wants to impress Lady Death.
So he's
Lady
just an
Death is
emo
a
boy, lover
yeah.
boy.
Lady
Cute.
Death is a character who is like a god character, and she is in love with Wolverine.
Can you blame her?
And she no sorry Deadpool.
Again, can
she
you blame her?
yeah, and it's not Ryan Reynolds Deadpool. It's just
It's just
Deadpool.
Deadpool,
And
yeah.
she keeps coming back to Deadpool, and they keep hooking up. And Thanos gets very irritated because he loves her. So just to prove his love to her, he decides that he's going to wipe out half the universe because she is Lady Death.
Okay, then that's
And that,
gonna
yeah, and,
look good for her.
yeah, and that reason is very stupid. But in this,
In this, he's like.
the Titan, the planet Titan was. Oh, that's why. थोड़ा noble cause था
Yeah.
मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा understandable, especially during
perfectly
these.
balanced as all
yeah,
things should
especially
be.
during
Selfish
these-
dick threw his daughter off the cliff.
Yeah. Even that happened. Even
That's why Peter Quill.
yeah.
was enraged.
But इतना नहीं bro. Super hero है तू थोड़ा
I
emotion
mean, you should
control
have
कर
had
सकता है.
थोड़ा सा restraint. They had the gauntlet of Peter.
Gauntlet निकल जाएगा फिर मारना bro. क्या तब भी क्यों मारने का था? तब भी क्या करेगा?
Mantis बेचारी, she was.
वही बेचारी वो तो यार उसने तो यूज भी नहीं किया सुपर पावर अपने कभी. वो आगे सीधा था ना उसके सामने.
वही. और हो गया था, उसने कर लिया था.
स्पाइडरमैन को 10 दिन हुआ है वो
पार्कर
स्पेस
ने
में
निकाल-
उस स्पेस
वही,
में उसको
वो
पता ही
आंट
नहीं
में,
क्या चल रहा
oh my
है।
God,
उसको 10 दिन हुआ है, पावर सूट मिल गए, स्पेस में
चल दिया है वो।
फील्ड ट्रिप के लिए जा रहा था वो, स्पेस पहुंच गया, दोस्त लोग चले गए फील्ड
Best
ट्रिप।
is, Iron Man को पता नहीं था वो है
हाँ
space
छुपा हुआ है
में।
वो। फिर उधर भी बोलता है मूवी के जैसा करते हैं, और फिर क्या एलियन मूवी जैसा।
हाँ, the movie Alien.
ब्रो मैस।
He even tells the alien, please don't lay eggs in me.
Yeah.
He tells Mantis, please don't
Mantis.
lay eggs in me.
बट what do you think इन्फिनिटी वॉर?
Um,
आई नो ये एंड गेम का फोटो है, बट ये इन्फिनिटी वॉर है। ये सेम फोटो यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग दोनों के लिए।
I'll put this in the mid because in Endgame I can put in pretty good.
Okay. Mid it is. I also say mid. It's a very good movie, but I don't think
It's a good movie. It was just heartbreaking to watch.
Yeah, it is thoda
It
because
was
of
heartbreaking
that.
to watch.
Okay, now Endgame.
Sentimental value, pretty good because this is end of an era.
Yeah, bro,
It is-
end of.
It is the death of Iron Man, Tony
Oh.
Stark.
Don't say that, bro.
It
It's the death of many people.
Yeah, it is the.
It's the fixed death of-
Steve Rogers. Not literally.
But he's not there. He's actually gone. If you watch the TV shows, he's actually gone. Matlab, they use
He's
the word
not-
gone.
Yeah.
They don't say he's died or anything.
He's just
they
gone.
say he's just.
Which is fair enough. There is no
That's fair.
Vision. They did not use Vision
Bro,
in this
Vision
movie.
is the-
Vision's role in this movie.
Man, we
No.
didn't talk about Infinity War mein Vision. That
Oh
idiot.
yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
yeah, yeah,
god,
yeah,
bro.
yeah.
I have serious.
This is a
I
problem.
have a serious problem with Vision and Infinity War, bro.
We spoke about this right after Infinity War came out. You and I remember
Yes,
about Vision's role.
bro. Infinity War was about collecting the Infinity Stones. Vision, brother Vision, is made out of an Infinity Stone. He has to fight better, bro.
They did not
See-
use Vision. They did him dirty in the movie.
Bro, Black Widow ने बचाया स्टीव रॉजर्स इसको, विजन को।
Vision को.
ब्लैक विडो उसके पास नहीं है पावर, वो स्पाई है, उसने विजन को बचाया है बिनी मॉ और वो लोग सबसे।
They did
वो
him dirty in the movie.
बर्लिन
is all I
वर्लिन में
can
जिधर
say.
भी होता है वो।
They did not.
ब्रो प्यार में अंधा हो गया है वो, पावर आवर लूज कर दिया उसने प्यार में।
He was made for the sole purpose
वही यार।
of defeating this dude and. Bro, he held in magic and picked out the stone ऐसे करके.
अरे not even that, before that when he's not injured and all that,
Yeah.
before like in the first fight, पता है they both are in Berlin or somewhere, Scarlet Witch
This
and
one has to
Travis,
come and intervene.
इसका एंट्री कैप्टन अमेरिका का, bro how is
I
Captain
know.
America and Falcon saving you from a alien,
They
bro?
did not use him well. I said this to him right after the movie.
Even
launched.
they did
It
not
was-
even use this one, Bucky well. Bucky has
Bucky
got
was chilling in Wakanda.
Bucky has got his vibranium arm for the first time and he's picking up Rocket and Rocket is shooting and he's using a gun. Bro, Winter Soldier में Bucky को देखो,
I swear.
वो क्या कर रहा है, मास
Yo,
मर्डर
Winter Soldier में Bucky.
सबको मार रहा है वो, एंड इसमें वो
But that
गन
just
यूज कर
shows
रहा
how
है।
powerful Bucky is. इन लोगों ने ना characters use नहीं किए हैं.
इन्फिनिटी वॉर में तो सच्ची नहीं
Infinity War में नहीं
की
किया
है।
है
इन्फिनिटी
use.
वॉर में वो लोग ने मतलब सबके अराउंड प्लॉट आर्मर था एंड दे हैड टू रीच अ स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट, मतलब
And
they
they
just
like,
wanted
touch
everyone
surfaces everywhere.
yeah
and
they
just
just
built
no
it to
they
the
they
crescendo.
they did not write it as a whole. I think they wrote it, they had an end goal in mind ki at the
This
end
has
the,
to-
all
yeah,
these
the
people
blip
they
has
have
to
to
happen.
almost lose in battle and then the blip will happen, and that they wrote the end first and then pehle ka sab they wrote according to the end, which I think messed it up because many characters could have
Possibly.
easily gotten better during the fight.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, Endgame. Bro, Endgame I think was the most amazing fan service ever. We deserved that, bro. Except the ending. Ending was very sad. Ending was very sad.
Oh my god,
And
we
bro,
cried
Bro,
in the ending.
Bro, and they had to introduce Morgan before he was dying. They had to. Bro, that made it so much more sadder. Poor Morgan.
Poor child.
3000.
6,000.
3000.
Oh no. Yo,
It was
that
too sad,
whole
bro.
scene where everybody starts kneeling, a literal god, a king, a super soldier, they kneel to this one dude who has shown this amazing personality change over the years, who used to be this rash dick, honestly, kind of in the beginning, and then he's become like this fatherly figure who also has Spider-Man kind of like a child, not
He
just
does,
Morgan.
bro. He does.
And then it's just
And he says no to.
yeah, he doesn't even want to join
Bro,
the force
he
in the
says,
first
he
because
says
he has a
in the
family now.
He says in the start that when it comes down to it, I will choose my family over anything, and he does not, bro.
and
That
there's
is-
a line between Steve and Tony where he's
Yeah.
like, not dying this time would be good.
oh my god. It's very sad. It's very sad, bro.
I swear to, I'm not even exaggerating. I wheeze cried in the theater. There were people who looked at me like this.
बहुत loopholes थे.
बहुत. The only reason I'm putting Endgame in pretty good, apart from the fact that they killed my man Tony Stark, is कि उसमें इतने loopholes थे. Like, you know, while you were watching.
But some of the loopholes have been explained in Loki. Like वो time travel loopholes have been explained in Loki. But at the time they were still loopholes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's been like more than a year since Endgame came out, and we were watching Loki
shit.
now. So yeah.
2 years. Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's been more than 2 years since Endgame came out, and we're only getting like half of the answers now. So I think that's one of the reasons I'm gonna put it pretty good.
But the amount of fan service and the last fight, where Captain America finally picks up the hammer, which we knew since the Age of Ultron.
I know. The theater audibly gasped.
Bro, we watched it. We watched it together.
I know.
The theater went nuts,
the theater
bro.
Went
All of
nuts,
us
and
were
for
like,
good reason. I remember
we watched
screaming.
We watched it at 6 a.m.
It was the first show in Mumbai. We travelled like 2 hours from here.
Mulund, we went to Mulund.
And totally worth
it.
By the way,
it was nuts. The experience.
None of us slept at night.
The experience was not. There was no experience.
Nothing comes close to that.
It was like a unifying feeling. Everyone had come to watch it. Everyone.
And we went with a group that wasn't just like us. There were like other friends of ours who are also Marvel fans. It was
crazy.
like a big group. It was an insane experience.
I think for that it has to be in God, because
if I only counted experience wise and like sentimental value wise, then it has to be a God.
And the last
movie.
fight, bro, the last fight.
Also the women of Marvel teaming up in this movie.
It was a little corny, but it was good. It was a little cringe. They did it on purpose. Thoda cringe, but the message was right.
It was amazing.
The message was right, and it happened in Infinity War also, na, where they killed the women alien.
Yeah.
I think.
And Natasha goes like, "You couldn't have done that before. I hate you." It was funny.
Scarlet Witch अचानक से आके boom.
I know.
Bro, also, I don't understand how Okoye and Black Widow have made it this far, because they are humans. वो लोग alien से लड़ रहे हैं, वो लोग सब कर रहे हैं.
Okoye is here by sheer
Okoye, bro.
Okoye's look when he passes. And she just looks at him like...
Okoye and her spear, bro, they've made it so far. She kills with looks. She actually kills with looks.
She does.
And I don't think they realize at this point. उन लोग को भी लग रहा है वो लोग सुपर हीरो है. वो लोग
hey.
मरेंगे ना तो वो लोग को मालूम
पड़ेगा. Also, Okoye's moment in
I think Infinity War itself. Would you die? Was it Infinity War or was it in Black Panther?
What?
Like, you would kill me. And the husband, Okoye's husband.
Yeah, Black Panther.
And she takes his spear up to his chin. She's like, for Wakanda, without question.
Oh my god, yo.
Bhakt.
Queen.
Amazing.
Absolute queen.
Bro, I think it's God, but...
We can put it in God. Let's just look past the
Tony Stark
loopholes and, oh my god. And Tony's dead.
6,000.
Bro, if we put Black Panther, Civil War and all of this and we don't put Endgame,
we put Avengers in the God tier,
so
I think we would also have
to. It's
a
little insulting if we don't put Endgame.
Honestly, I'm so sad about poor Hulk just like
and bro,
hanging in the trash bin.
Bro, they could have done better with the movie. Captain America finally said Avengers Assemble after so long of teasing us.
We were, oh my god.
It was a good moment.
Everybody was waiting.
So the last one is Far From Home.
Yes.
I think Jake Gyllenhaal, insane.
Absolutely, no questions about it.
Bro, I knew he was Mysterio. I knew Mysterio ka past and everything, but when he was actually being nice to, I believed it, bro. Uska acting itna acha tha.
Point. Acting was on point.
And when he shifted, matlab that bar scene when they reveal the barf technology, bro, I was like, oh shit. For a second, I actually believed that he is a good guy. His acting is very good.
So what happened was, real talk, before we went to see the movie, I did not know that Jake Gyllenhaal is Mysterio. Okay, because I haven't read the comics, I don't know a lot about it. But he told me that Jake Gyllenhaal is Mysterio, so I was going in with thought that okay, this is gonna be a villain and a Marvel villain. And then this turns out to be like the nicest dude ever, and I'm like, maybe this is a mistake. No, this is probably not the villain.
He was actually being nice.
And then he turns out to be a really mean dude.
Yeah, he's not mean. He is mean.
He's fighting a 16-year-old boy.
Yeah, he is mean, and he almost shoots him.
Yeah,
and
he
he also
tries to kill him, by
he
the
also
way.
reveals his identity in the end.
Yeah, I
You know what's gonna happen?
No.
You wanna know?
No.
There is one theory
I-
that see Captain Marvel में Skrulls reveal हो गया ना, and Secret Invasion सबको पता आ रहा है. So there is a theory that this guy and a Skrull posing as Spider-Man will actually stand together, and this guy will say that I am not.
He's already done that in this thing, hasn't he? He's already ruined Peter's image in the end.
That's what I'm saying,
Yeah.
na. So Peter Parker and Spider-Man will stand together. Like a Skrull will be Peter Parker, and they'll stand together and they'll tell everyone that we are not the same guy.
Okay.
That's a good theory. I can't wait for Secret Invasion. It's gonna be nuts.
gonna be nuts.
There's
It's
gonna
gonna
be
be nuts, for
confusion,
sure.
and from there on, anything can happen.
True.
Anyone can
I
be a
love how
Skrull.
Marvel plays on your like the predictability rate of Marvel
Yeah.
is just.
All right, Far From Home. I think it's just
I
there.
think it's just there or mid. Yeah. I'll be generous.
It was
if
it
I'm
was a
giving
good
it to mid.
was good character development for Spider-Man.
Definitely.
He finally got thoda brave,
I know.
and he made the suit in the
He
end.
was
and shit.
brave always.
Yeah, he was brave, but he didn't
If
take things
I
into
put
his
this
own
in
hands.
the mid zone, I'm putting it just because of Jake Gyllenhaal. and
Yeah,
his
I think Jake
insane
Gyllenhaal carried the
acting.
movie though.
It was
Tom Holland
so
was okay.
Good.
Zendaya was good.
Zendaya was always good. Also, this movie finally gives their relationship a jump start. Zendaya and Tom.
But that was also very
So-
awkward,
It was exactly how I'd imagined
Yeah, true.
Peter Parker's.
Zendaya doing all the talking
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
bro, I was very top heavy. We were too nice. Next tier list, I'm not being nice. Comment what you want the next tier list to be. I'm not being nice. I'm
Put it
being
down.
brutal, and I'll also be brutal so that I can get some comments.
Oh yeah,
It can be
some debates.
controversial.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that was our tier list.
Yes.
Check it out once more. See what you think about it. Let me
Let
know
us-
what you think
yes,
about it. Let me
please.
know what other tier list you want. And thank you. Peace.
For watching.